Welcome back to Autotonic, your go-to destination for everything automotive. If you're a fan of spacious, capable, and feature-packed SUVs, you're going to love what Kia has in store for the 2025 Telluride. This midsize SUV has been a crowd favorite since its debut, and the latest updates take it to a whole new level. Today, we're diving into all the officially confirmed details, design updates, and tech enhancements that make the 2025 Telluride a standout in its class. So sit back, buckle up, and let's explore what this incredible SUV has to offer. Kia has taken a refined approach with the 2025 Telluride, ensuring its design remains bold and modern while introducing subtle but impactful upgrades. The front fascia receives slight revisions, with a more pronounced grille featuring a sleeker pattern and Kia's signature emblem. The LED headlamps have been redesigned with a sharper and more angular look, giving the Telluride an even more confident road presence. Kia's attention to detail extends to the rear, where the tail lamps are now more streamlined, complementing the rugged yet sophisticated profile of the SUV. The overall shape remains similar to the outgoing model, but these design tweaks enhance its visual appeal. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 Kia Telluride continues to offer impressive space. Measuring just under 200 inches in length and with a width of 78 inches, the Telluride retains its commanding stature. It still accommodates up to 8 passengers comfortably thanks to its clever interior packaging and smart use of space. Ground clearance remains generous, making the Telluride a solid choice for families who need both on-road comfort and mild off-road capability. The 2025 Telluride introduces a fresh set of wheel designs ranging from 18-inch alloys on the lower trims to stunning 20-inch options on the higher variants. Kia also expands its exterior color palette with new shades like Midnight Lake Blue and Junglewood Green joining the lineup. These additions ensure buyers have even more choices to customize their Telluride to match their style. Moving to the interior, Kia has stepped up the luxury and technology game for 2025. The cabin now feels even more premium, with higher quality materials, refined stitching, and soft touch surfaces throughout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is Kia's updated infotainment system, which features a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen. This system now comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving drivers seamless access to their smartphones. A fully digital instrument cluster is also available, providing clear and customizable information for the driver. Comfort remains a top priority in the 2025 Telluride, with improvements to the seats and climate control systems. The front row seats now offer enhanced lumbar support, heating, and ventilation, making long drives a breeze. Rear passengers haven't been left out either. The second row captain's chairs are more plush than ever, and the third row remains one of the most spacious in its segment. Kia has also added advanced air filtration technology to improve cabin air quality, which is a thoughtful touch for families. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Telluride continues with its proven powertrain. It is equipped with a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and responsive shifts. Front-wheel drive remains standard, but all-wheel drive is available across the lineup for those who need extra capability. Fuel efficiency stays competitive, with the Telluride achieving around 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, depending on the drivetrain configuration. Kia has made strides in enhancing the Telluride's driving dynamics for 2025. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a better balance between comfort and control, ensuring a smoother ride over uneven surfaces. Noise insulation has also been improved, resulting in a quieter cabin even at higher speeds. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out for a family road trip, the Telluride continues to impress with its driving comfort and refinement. Safety remains a cornerstone of the Kia Telluride, and the 2025 model comes packed with the latest advancements in driver assistance technology. Kia's Highway Driving Assist has been updated to include improved lane centering and adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking are all standard features, making the Telluride one of the safest options in its segment. For added convenience, Kia now offers a 360-degree surround view camera system with enhanced clarity, making parking and maneuvering this large SUV easier than ever. Tech-savvy families will appreciate the Telluride's upgraded connectivity features. Kia's digital key technology now allows drivers to use their smartphones to unlock and start the vehicle. Multiple USB-C ports are scattered throughout the cabin, ensuring all passengers can keep their devices charged. Additionally, the available premium 10-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivers an immersive sound experience, perfect for long drives or daily commutes. Kia has also introduced new trim options for the 2025 Telluride, giving buyers more variety to suit their preferences. The rugged X Pro trim, which was introduced in the previous model year, returns with additional upgrades. It includes all-terrain tires, unique exterior accents, and increased towing capacity up to 5,500 pounds. This makes the Telluride an excellent option for families who love camping, boating, or any outdoor adventures. The pricing for the 2025 Kia Telluride remains competitive, with the base LX trim starting around $37,000. As you move up the lineup to higher trims like the EX, SX, and the fully loaded SX Prestige, prices can reach the $52,000 range. Considering the level of quality, comfort, and technology the Telluride offers, it continues to deliver outstanding value for money. Overall, the 2025 Kia Telluride builds upon its already stellar reputation. With its refined styling, spacious interior, powerful engine, and cutting-edge features, it remains one of the most well-rounded SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for a family hauler, a comfortable road trip vehicle, or something rugged for weekend adventures, the Telluride has you covered. That wraps up all the confirmed details and updates about the 2025 Kia Telluride. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Autotonic for more automotive updates, reviews, and comparisons. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Telluride and which features stand out the most to you. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.